Hello. Now, our Catco heaters are designed to work for a long time, but a long time is not forever. So when your heater starts to show signs of age, maybe a lower temperature, maybe starting to get a little harder to turn on when you need it, it might be time to turn it in for our Reman program, which is going to remanufacture, retest, and recertify those heaters so it can get back out to you at full force. So here's what happens when you want to take part of our Reman program. Our team is going to inspect them and make sure that they're ready for remanufacture. What we're going to do is we're going to take a look at your heater. We're going to take out a lot of the bits and pieces that are normally used. This means the insulation, the catalyst, the orifice, and the heating elements. Anything that can be cleaned and reused is going to be put back into the heater once it's ready and good to go. Things like the insulation and catalyst that are more used up over time, those are going to be replaced entirely. We're also going to sandblast and clean anything like the orifice, the pan, and the face screens so that your heater looks and feels just as clean as when you first bought it. Once all that's done, we retest and recertify it on our test bench to make sure that a Reman heater works just as well as one that's straight out of the box, brand new for you. Our Reman program is meant to make sure that your application and your equipment lasts longer. Although our heaters won't last forever, with the remanufacturing program, they're going to last a lot longer. It's going to be made by the same team that built them in the first place, so you know what kind of quality you're going to be getting. Whether it's one heater or a fleet of heaters, we're here to help them get refreshed and back out into the field at 100% power. So please reach out to us and contact us about what you need and how many you have. Thank you so much.